YouTube व्यूअर्स, आज मैं आप लोग के सामने एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ लेके आई हूँ। अब आप सोच रहे होंगे इंटरेस्टिंग क्या हो सकता है, तो एनी गेसेस? आई थिंक आप कोई भी गेसेस नहीं लगा सकते। तो मैं रिवील करती हूँ, मैं लाई हूँ रूबिक क्यूब। आप सभी अवेयर होंगे इस रूबिक क्यूब के बारे में। शायद सबको, बहुत लोगों को आता भी होगा, बहुत लोगों को नहीं आता होगा। बट ये जो क्यूब है, ये क्यूब मुझे नहीं आता है ना। मैंने आज तक इसे बनाने की कोशिश की, मैंने बचपन में बनाया था, बट आज तक मैं इसको बना नहीं पाई थी। नाउ आई विल टॉक इन इंग्लिश, ओके। Now everyone will be thinking that now why she has bought this Rubik cube or what is the main intention behind her. So I want to tell you that first of all that I have took a long month to learn this Rubik cube, because at first time I thought that it was an easy task in my childhood days, but as I grew up, as I grow younger, and today I really think that this is really a challenging job. If you know this how to make this Rubik cube, then I can find you a good guy. Not only good, but also an intelligent guy, according to my opinion. And if you know, tap yes in my comments. You can see this cube that the cube is not rearranged, and now I will be showing that I'm going to rearrange it and make it a proper Rubik cube. Now you will be thinking of why she bought this Rubik cube or what was the main means. ऐसा होता है ना कि अचानक से कोई चीज़ को किसी चीज़ की याद कैसे आ जाती है, तो दैट्स द मेन पॉइंट. By making this, I will tell you the incident. Actually, what had happened. One time what happened, my friend challenged me that if you make this Rubik cube, I will give you 500 rupees. I thought that it was an easy task and I will make it fast. So I told that okay, I accept your challenge and I will show you. Then from the next day, I started learning from the YouTube that how means all the formulas and the tricks were given in the YouTube. So what I did, I wrote everything in the copy and tried to imitate every day. Okay, I learned each and every formulas. After that, what happened, I met my friend. See, I have made the first layer. Now I will be proceeding with the second layer and also my incident. Then what happened, I met my friend and he gave me the Rubik cube and told that now you make, I challenge you, and I had also 500 rupees if you win, because at that time I was becoming so determined that I can make this or that. So he gave me and I started what I learned or what I imitated. I started to apply on the Rubik cube, and guess what happened? Really, I was bewildered. I was fully confused that what I was doing. But to make means why this cube was not rearranging properly, why it was not systematically arranged. So what happened after that? After that he told that leave it, you cannot make this. I told no, I will make it. But what happened, I was not able to make it. Even a single layer I was not able to make it. So from that day I realized the real thing of Rubik cube, that what we see is not as we see it. Say that in Hindi if I speak, अगर जो जैसा हम लोग देखते हैं, ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो चीज़ हम लोग को उतनी ही ज़्यादा आसान दिखे. हर एक चीज़ के लिए, मतलब लाइफ में हर एक चीज़ ज़रूरी होता है, चाहे वो छोटी हो या बड़ी हो. सो दिस वॉज द मेन लेसन दैट आई लर्न फ्रॉम दैट डे. एंड येस, I realize that means everything happens for a good reason, and I think that my second layer is also done. See, I am done with my second layer too. That incident only helped me to make that Rubik cube learn, and thank you to him if he is watching my video. Now proceeding with the third layer, let's see what happens, because the third layer is the toughest layer, I can tell that. All the best to me, because focusing on two things, speaking and trying to make this, can be a challenging, but no worries, I will try my best, and you guys also support that this time it doesn't destroy, because when I try to make the third layer, everything gets destroyed and everything gets mixed up, and I am really fed up. But okay, this time let's see what happens. But you all will be thinking what childish thing she is doing, but I enjoy doing this stuffs also. Whether it doesn't is loved by people or not. Let's see what happens. I think it has been made. I think. Wait a minute. Yay, I did it. If you have liked my video, then I will recommend you to like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye bye till then. Stay tuned for the next video.